And just like that, we have it. Now, I don't actually know how this sounds, but I have an idea that it actually probably sounds pretty good, because I don't think it could sound worse than my UWMIC9s, and these sound pretty good. Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, we're going to be checking out this. This is the new Saramonic UWMIC9S Kit 2. Now I know I usually try to stick to PC hardware and similar, but this is very pertinent to my channel, and I'm actually very excited to try these out. And also, I think a lot of people will be interested in seeing how these things are. The UWMIC9 series from Saramonic is actually very popular, especially on the mid-range content creator side. They're pretty good. You get professional quality for a actually pretty decent price. So I'm hoping that these are no different. But in today's video, I'm just going to take an honest look at them. I am going to tell you guys that Saramonic did send these to me to use for this review. But let's get right into this. So let's start with the unboxing. I have not opened this yet. Now, I don't know if this is a retail kit or a review sample, which sometimes is different. Oh, wait, this is... How does this... I'm already confused. Oh. Oh, this appears to be a retail kit because it comes with the box. Okay, this does appear to be a retail set, as it does come with... Wow, that's heavy. The case that I believe does not come with the review samples, depending. The early review samples didn't come with it, at least. So, let's see what we're looking at here. I think I know exactly what this is because I did some research. Yes. It comes with a cool case. In all seriousness, actually props to Saramonic for including this. Not a lot of people will include just even a decent one. It is like a hard plastic, but it is a good rugged case for carrying your mics and stuff. So, hey, I can't be too mad at that. It's better than what I've been using currently, which is the cardboard my current mics came in. By the way, I'm using my current mics, not the new ones. So the new ones are still in the box, in case anyone's wondering. Some people like to think that. Yeah. All right, opening this up, and it's an instruction set. It could have been a cool unveil, but it's instructions. All right, and then there we have it. We've got our, well, this is clearly our receiver with two antennas because we have two transmitters. The cases of the microphones are the same, if not similar. Pretty light, but pretty solid feeling aluminum as their old UWMIC9s. And the size is very similar as well, if not exactly the same. So, besides the two transmitters, one receiver, we also get a ton, and I do mean a ton, of accessories and useful things. This is a nice... Alright, so starting off... Oh man, this is just going to be a lot of bag opening. One sec. Okay, that took longer than I'd like to admit personally, but all that's left in these bags is the, there's more foam covers for the top of the mics, the pop filters, and then actually some wind covers, which is pretty nice, as well as two of the three, oh yeah. And then opening one of these final few bags, we can see we've got some USB-C cables, and then that's all that's left in this one as well. I'll leave that in there. So, what do we have for accessories? Well, starting off, we have a USB-C, because both the transmitters and the receivers charge their internal battery with USB-C. This is a humongous change, and in my opinion, a huge upgrade from the AA's that the UWMIC9s and a lot of other lavaliers, especially in this price range, tend to use. It's very annoying to switch out double A's and have to get up and do all that stuff, so this should be pretty freaking amazing. So USB-C charging on these. They're very sleek, black, and professional looking, so that's actually really nice. One thing I forgot to mention. So they come with USB-Cs. Then they also come with what looks like an adapter for... What I noticed, yeah. So the receiver actually has two outputs. Now, the receiver for the old UWMIC9s and a lot of other mics also have two outputs, but they are usually cloned, meaning that one is for your headphones, or the operator for the camera's headphones so they can listen to the audio, and the other one is for the output to the camera. This one's a little different, where it appears that these are left and right, as it comes with an adapter for left and right to a singular stereo connection. But I actually noticed that when it came with these. These are XLR to 3.5 or 3.5 to XLR technically. So actually, it's super great that I could use both XLR for, let's say, left, and the singular 3.5 for right, and then whichever one sounds better, I can downmix it to mono, and it'll sound great. Just a little thing that I think will be pretty amazing for me. So besides that stuff, we also get our microphones. Now these are the DK3A microphones, as opposed to whatever the hell they included with the last ones, the ones that I'm currently using, the one on here. It looks very different. These actually look a lot more professional. They have a dome head, I guess. I don't know. It just, they look more professional to me, and I honestly hope, I expect them to, but I hope they sound better, which we'll actually test. And of course, all the cables that matter use the same screw-on locking connectors. They're very good for lavaliers. You don't want to accidentally move and pull your mic right out of the pack. That would be really sucky, especially if you're a person who does not have someone operating your camera, because you don't have friends. Our menu is pretty similar to last time. You've got basically plus minus to go through the menu, and then you've got your set and power buttons. And I'm just gonna leave them on channel 1, because that should be absolutely fine for short range. And we're going to plug our mic in, line in. I actually just noticed that these mics have both the mic in and a secondary line in. That is very interesting. So you could have like 4 connections. And they should be both on channel 1. This should hopefully work. So we'll plug our mic in and screw in the locking connector. And get ready to test it. And just like that, we have it. Now, I don't actually know how this sounds, but I have an idea that it actually probably sounds pretty good, because I don't think it could sound worse than my UWMIC9s, and these sound pretty good. Instead of taking out my SSD, transferring it to my computer, listening to the audio, and then coming back with my results, I'll just record 2 different reactions to the sound quality, and well, I'll pick whichever one in editing makes sense. And as you can hear, the sound quality is amazing. It has amazing clarity, and the noise levels are completely acceptable, if unhearable. It is awesome. Much clearer than my old UWMIC9s, so clearly they're using a much better lavalier mic, and the transmitters are the same high quality, with just a more professional look to them. And with that, I think we're about at the end. There's one more thing I feel like I must test, because this is something I was curious about, and is actually part of the reason I reached out to Saramonic. I was like, hey, could you guys send me this mic to review? They charge with USB. USB-C. Can you charge the microphones while using them? Meaning, could I wear like an external battery pack or something? And that is something I want to find out. There. Is it still recording? It does say it is charging. The battery indicator is doing a blink. Hold on. move it around just in case there's reflection. There probably is reflection. I need to make it so the OSD doesn't time out so quickly. And I'm still using it. If it sounds worse, I wouldn't be surprised, and I probably won't hold it against it. They do not advertise that you can charge them while they are in use, but if they can, that is an awesome bonus. Why? A couple of reasons. When I am live streaming from this setup, building a computer, I love to use lavaliers. Having to take batteries out consistently at random points in the stream when my mics run out is very annoying. Just being able to literally have it like over here while it's just simply charging and use at the same time would be amazing. If they sound atrocious, I won't include the rest of this in the video. And second off, on the go, instead of using them, putting them in a charger and waiting, you could literally power them with an external battery bank or have a small battery bank just in your pocket next to the mics. This way you'll be absolutely fine. You can keep charging while you are using them, and honestly, this is an amazing feature, and I freaking love it. 100% 10 out of 10 if this is working. I just dropped my head. So, that's really it. I hope you guys kind of enjoyed my review of the UWMIC9S Kit 2. You can check it out in the description below, and thank you so much to Saramonic for sending me this awesome kit. I'm pretty sure these will be my new daily drivers, so if they sound better, it's good for you guys because, well, I got new mics. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you again, Saramonic. Love you guys. I'll see you next one. Peace. And as you can hear, the audio quality is nothing if not disappointing. I am absolutely, completely offended at the terrible audio quality of these microphones. I cannot believe that they sound exactly how they do. How could anyone release a product that sounds like this and, honest to God, send it to me without telling me that you are sending me a product that sounds like dog? Thank you so much for watching.